Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple way to withdraw funds from a view only wallet. Yes, watch only wallet is the same as a view only wallet. So follow me and let's hop on to this. So in order for you to withdraw from a view only or a watch only wallet, what you need first to do is to load your watch only wallet. If you have the watch only wallet already, then you have no problem. But if you don't have the watch only wallet, you first need to download the Trust wallet. Then you set a pin. Yes, you set a pin. Yes, then this is the watch only funds. But if you are new to this update, you have to download the Trust wallet. You will check the description. I've put a watch only address there, you can use it. But if you don't understand how to do it too, you can check my previous videos, or you check the description and message me directly. I'll show you how to load the watch only, and I'll show you how to load the watch only, the view only, and I'll show you the steps you can take to withdraw. Yes, in order for you to withdraw, let's hop on. You need a PE exchange app and logins. Yes, you need a PE exchange app and its corresponding logins. It's not for free, please. Check the description and message me now. Message me at WhatsApp, come directly and tell me that I want to buy the PE exchange app and its logins. Yes, then I will generate it for you at a cost. Yes, it's not expensive, but it's not for free. Yes, because the app is really working and it's simple. With this app, you can withdraw any amount to any wallet of your choice, so that's why it's not for free. So don't come here and say you want it for free. You have to buy the BSC app and login. Check the description and message me now for the app and login. Let me show you how you can withdraw. So all right, let's log in. When you log in, you go to withdraw funds. You input your watch only address here. Let's get the watch only address. Okay. This is the watch only address. You paste it and you enter the amount. There's a lot of money there, but let's withdraw 500,000. The reference code here is when you come, I'll give you the reference code too, and the Momo number, and you repeat. Yes, and you go to transfer, and you repeat the Momo number here too. You repeat the Momo number and you click on withdraw. That's all. You can wait on this page, or you can go out from this page. Yes, that's the steps to withdraw. Then it will reflect into your account that you use. You can withdraw to bank, Trust wallet, anywhere you want to withdraw to. So click on the, check the description, message me, use my WhatsApp link and message